God bless you, young person who is listening to this message from the Sound of the Future Ministry. I would like you to take a moment to pause and reflect. Isaiah chapter 40 verse 30 says, "Even youth will become weak and tired, and young men will fall in exhaustion. Even the strongest people get tired at times, but God's power and strength never diminish. He is never too tired or too busy to help and listen. His strength is our source of strength. When you feel all of life is crashing you and you cannot go another step, remember that you can call upon God to renew your strength. In Jesus' mighty name, amen."
When you say you are stronger, you are strong.